Hey guys, it's Jocelyn. So in today's video I'm doing a gothic smoky eye look. I think it's perfect timing since it's gonna be October soon, which means spoopy season. So yeah, if you want to see me create this look, then just keep watching. So to start off, gotta prep the skin per usual. Gonna be using the Makeup Revolution. I felt my soul leave my body. Hold on. Gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Hydra Quench Primer. I've actually become a huge fan of this, not gonna lie. It's very sticky. I wore it before a photo shoot the other day and my makeup stuck. It stuck really well. So next I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Heartbreakers Concealer in Shortbread. All of these products were from the last video and these are the ones that I actually really like. Blend it out. If you're wondering why I'm looking that way, it's because that's where my mirror is. I'm still trying to figure out my setup. Okay, next I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder in beige. This stuff smells so good. I like to set my eyelids before I go on with any eyeshadow because it makes it easier to blend a little bit more. So I'm going to be using a few palettes today. I couldn't seem to find all of the purples and dark smoky colors that I wanted in just one palette, so here we are. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I know there was a lot of controversy around this palette, but I didn't seem to have any issues with it. I don't know. I like the color story, so if you work with it, it'll work with you. And that's the tea. I'm going to go into that shade Roxy right here, and I'm just going to go on the crease really quick. I'm gonna use the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Controversy palette. I'm gonna be dipping into Controversy, that purple shade right there. Ironic. And I'm just gonna cover the entire lid with it. Does anyone know what's going on for Halloween this year? Because I know like social distancing is a thing. But like, is anyone gonna just like dress up just for fun or anything this year? If so, tell me what you're dressing up as. Okay, now that we threw down a purple base, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. And I'm gonna use Rowdy, I'm using Rowdy, this deep purple right here. And I'm just going to put it in the outer V of my eye. Woo! So I know it's a little sloppy right now, but we're gonna be going back and forth with different colors. All right, so I'm taking out the big boy Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. Yeah, it's actually kind of really cool packaging. It's like a chest. I'm gonna dip into my rides here. This black right here. So I'm gonna take that black and just deepen up those outer corners. The trick to eyeshadow, blend. Just like blend a butt ton and you'll make your way somehow. Does anybody know that song that's like do, 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 do? You probably have no idea what I'm doing. The song from American Horror Story. Does anybody know what I'm talking about though? I'm just rambling. So yeah, gonna keep deepening up those outer corners. So here's a fun topic or question, I guess. Do you think The Nightmare Before Christmas is a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie? Because I feel like it's up for debate. I like to think of it as a Halloween movie, but I don't know. It could also be considered a Christmas movie, so who knows? So now that we have the black in there to make it smoky, I'm gonna actually go back into the Mini Controversy palette and go into Controversy. And I'm just gonna pack it where I already have it, just make it a little bit more vibrant because it's getting a little bit lost now from the dark shades. Also, sorry if you hear like weird mumbling sounds. I have neighbors. I think they're watching like a movie or something, but I can hear it. Whoa. Just texting Bae. You know who you are. I'm gonna actually now take the shade Exposed in the Mini Controversy palette, and I'm just gonna buff it into the crease to make it a little bit more blended. And it has a little purple tint, so it's nice. I guess I'm blending it a little bit above that black that I had put on. So now we lost a little bit of the darkness on the outer corner, so I'm gonna go back in with the black, just tap it into the corner, and hopefully we're done with that. Alright, so lids are done. I'm gonna throw on some eyeliner, wipe up the underneath of my eyes, and we'll move on. Can you guys be nice to each other? I'm using my Pure Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner pen. This is Bold Black Matte. Alright, eyeliner is on. Now, time for brows. Alright, next I'm going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. So for some reason my battery died and is refusing to charge, so we love that. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Clear Brow Gel. Actually really loving it. Alright, next would be foundation and then concealer. So for foundation, I'm using the All Hours YSL foundation in Warm Toffee. This is a very full coverage foundation. And again, going back in with the Makeup Revolution Heartbreakers concealer. So now I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder again and just set my face. I'm gonna take the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It doesn't say what shade this is, but it's kind of like a purple, blue, peach gold multi-chrome, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit in the inner corner of my eye and just kind of tap it out a little bit so we have a little bit of sparkle on our lids. Now I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel. So it's been a couple days. My battery died and then refused to charge, so I had to order a new one. And then on top of it, my adapter for my computer that allows me to use the memory card and transfer the footage to my computer, it decided also not to work. So here I am in a different outfit. Tried to make it close, but you know. And I did it, my makeup, exactly how I did it already, up until where it cut out. So, to continue, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon. This is like a nice like eggplant purple. And I'm just gonna put that in my lower waterline. If you're in the market for like a crayon eyeliner, Marc Jacobs ones are the best. They stay the entire day, and they're pretty pigmented and they go on really easily. I don't know, they're a really good product. Okay, so now I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lash line with the same colors that I used on the top lid, and I'm just gonna point to the shades and do it so we don't have to take 10 years. So for that really dark shade Rowdy in the Subculture palette, I'm only doing it on the outer half of the bottom lash line. So same for that black, just putting it on the outer half of the bottom lash line. Alright, so now that we have that, I'm gonna brighten up the inner corners of my eyes and underneath my brows on the brow bone. So for that, I'm gonna be using the Subculture palette again, and I'm gonna go into Cube right here. It looks like it's white, but when you apply it, it's more of a pink. It's really cool. And then I'm just gonna put it under the eyebrow, right at the arch of the brow. And drag it a little bit. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to do the face products. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Shady Biz Sunstalker Bronzer. I really love this bronzer. It's probably my favorite. Next, I'll be using the NARS Luster Blush, I guess. I think Luster is the shade name. Don't mind the dirty packaging, but like, this is like a really, really nice blush too. Okay, so Makeup Revolution Pro Luster Highlighter. Again, so beautiful. For this look, that is not enough highlight for me. So I'm gonna go back in the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put 3 dots and just tap it out. You have to work kind of quickly with that because it dries really quickly. So I'm gonna throw on some mascara. Today I'm using the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. I have the sparkly one. This is a really good one too. So next, to top off the look, I'm just going to be throwing on the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. Those are just the eyelashes that I like. And I'm going to use the Duo Eyelash Glue Adhesive in dark. I don't like white eyelash glue, it just looks weird. So I recommend getting black eyelash glue. I already trimmed these too, so we're good to go. Just let that dry for like 30 seconds. So putting on falsies is a true art and I have not mastered it. Pre-warning. I didn't do too shabby on that one. Pray for me for the next one. Alright, now that my memory card wanted to be full for a second. Shut up, Joe! let's get this done, please. Go away, Joseph. Go away. It's my roommate. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip liner in Allegedly. Needs to be sharpened. Luna, stop it, please. You're being such a noob today. I'm gonna line my lips real freaking quick. And next I'm gonna go in with another Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in, hey! This is in the shade Designer Blood. Okay, I'm gonna change my outfit real quick to get the full effect. I'll be right back. All right, and this is the final look. It's a nice like purple, grungy, gothic, smoky eye look. Too many adjectives, but yeah. So I hope you liked this video. If you like watching me or watching makeup tutorials or anything with fashion, or if you like my cats, you should definitely subscribe and wait for more videos, I guess. Every Tuesday I upload. So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.